Hello intermediate students, I am Fatima Gafar, a very happy person to be a part of Chartered Accountancy of Pakistan. As right after intermediate, it's your time to choose the right path for your right future. Let me tell you something about Chartered Accountancy of Pakistan. It's a highly prestigious qualification which starts right after your intermediate. Let me tell you about the criteria to start your journey as CA. For students having more than 50% marks but less than 60%, a basic ND test is required. CA welcomes students from all the backgrounds like FSC Pre-Medical, FSC Pre-Engineering, ICS, ICOM, General Sciences or FA. Around 95% student comes from intermediate background, 3% student come from A-level background and 2% student comes from graduation background. While CA Pakistan invites all the students without any restriction of your study background. For more information, you can contact our counseling department. Thank you.